Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski with your weekly Screencast video. So here we are, week five. Semester is moving along quickly. Just want to remind everybody that the chapter quiz number three on chapter nine is due Sunday, today, the 11th, end of day. I hope everybody enjoyed chapter nine PowerPoint screencast video that I posted in the middle of the week. I'll leave this week four schedule and due dates up in Blackboard for the rest of this week so that if you need to refer back, you know, looking for alternative insights into the chapter and what we're doing here in the correspondence assignment, you can refer back to that screencast video. Now, what's due this week in week five? Discussion board number four, which is drafts of your correspondence assignments. So remember now the correspondence assignment is actually three letters: inquiry, response to inquiry, and the complaint letter. Please, please, please put all three letters in one Word document or PDF so that it can just upload once and your course mates can open up one document to view all of your writing. If you can, please use Word because as you will see when I get to grading your email assignments, I do a lot of extensive commentary in Word and I email and upload, I should say, to the grading section of Blackboard my responses along with your grade. So please try to use Word. But post the drafts on Tuesday end of day. Between Tuesday and Friday, please respond. Offer up suggestions to your course mates on how they might be able to improve their correspondence. Are they complete in their information? Is their formatting accurate? We have clear examples in the PowerPoint and in the chapter about how a letter should be formatted. Inside address, dates, salutations, how to break up the information and request the correspondence, I should say, in sections. Chunking the information is what we call it, so that it can be read quickly. There is a consistent pattern as far as organizing communication. It was evident in the email, chapter 8. It's evident in carrying forward in the chapter 9. That's one of the things I'll be looking at in the formatting portion of the rubric for your assignments. So, once again, the final Essay 2 correspondence assignment is due Sunday, end of day. Now, one thing I want to take a minute to show everyone is in the chapter unit. Um, I know everybody really took the time to listen to Joe Cocker's song, but thought it might be a nice touch for our unit. And for the assignment, the correspondence assignment, I've added an example of the correspondence as I click on it here. You'll see it's in PDF format. It'll give you the idea behind sort of an example of what it is you're going to be writing, what is it is kind of my expectations when it comes to grading your assignment. As you can see, all three letters are formatted into one document. You might want to take a look at those examples just to get an idea of what it is you're writing for this assignment. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, you can contact me via email. Hopefully, everyone's moving along and having a good experience in the course. Um, we'll see how the correspondence assignments um, work out over the course of the next week or so. Once again, if you have any questions, contact me via email. Good luck.